Set the mood. With models from March 2021, MINI introduces 2 color worlds for interior lighting and displays. Just choose your favorite ambience. The configurable color worlds illuminate the central information display, the instrument cluster, the LED ring, and the ambient light. Just go to My MINI, System Settings, Displays, Color Scheme to select Lounge, Sport, or Activation depending on driving mode. Switch the driving mode toggle to Sport and the light ambience follows suit. For John Cooper Works models, the color world Sport is default. Lounge mode for all other models. For both modes, 6 ambient light colors are available by toggling the switch in the roof center. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your MINI.